Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this Lilac wing liner makeup look. I love this color on the eyes. I think it's so pretty, and the palette that I'm using, I've actually used it a few times and it's just so pretty. So I'm going to teach you how to do this on your own eyes. And the first thing I always do is prime the eyelids first. This is always the first step. It will remove the redness of the eyelid. It will make your eyeshadow a lot more long lasting. And it will just leave you with a nice clean canvas for all your eyeshadows. So that's what I always do as the first step. And then I set it with a little bit of translucent powder just to make sure that everything is nicely locked in place. Then now for the next step, I'm going to go in with my palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. Just to use the white color that comes in this palette, just to highlight my eyebrow a little bit. I do really love a matte white brow highlight, like not too white, but just a little bit. I feel like it gives a really nice lifted effect. Now this is the palette I will be using. It's the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Lure palette, and it's so freaking beautiful. It has a lot of like shimmery colors at the top, which are just so amazing. It has like amazing color payoff. The reflection of these is just so pretty. If you have never tried Blend Bunny Cosmetics, I would highly recommend. And this is not sponsored. I'm just a huge fan of their eyeshadows. So I started with this really soft, kind of like purpley, mauvey. I don't know what this color is, but it's just really pretty. And I'm just going to start blending this in my crease area. And just slowly building it up, going back in with more and more to really make this color stand out a bit more. All the colors I will be using are quite like on the soft side. These are not your typical bright purples. They're really like soft, more like towards pastel, if that makes sense. So now I use this color over the eyelid, and oh my god, I think I've used it once before on my channel, but oh my god, look at it. It's just so pretty. Like, I'm such a big fan of these eyeshadows. They're just out of this world. So yeah, I'm using this all over the eyelid and then using a brush to kind of like blend it out. Then I went in with the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner, which is one of my favorite gel eyeliners. It just does the job. And I used a angled brow brush, also from Sigma Beauty. I do have a discount code, which is an affiliate code, which I will link down in the description bar, which will give you a discount on all Sigma Beauty products. But when I do my winged liner, I just start with a simple line above the lash line. On both sides, and then I make a line going from the outer parts, kind of like following the direction of the tail of my brow. Then I will first do the line at both eyes. Not always, but most of the time I do, just to make sure that they are like going in the same direction. And then I will create the wing that I'm doing right now. And I have to be honest, my wing looks different every time. Like, I'm not a professional at doing winged liner. Even though I've done it so many times, I still find it really hard. But I have to say, lately, they're turning out really good. I do feel like I kind of know my eyelid, but still it always looks a little bit different. Then on top of that, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner. I feel like this makes the eyeliner even more black, and it just gives it a really nice matte finish and just stands out a little bit more. I love this combination. The Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner and then the Anastasia Liquid Liner on top of it. Then I went in with some concealer just to make sure that the winged liner looks as sharp and clean at the lower part as possible. So I used the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer, which is also a really nice mascara for cutting the crease if you're like creating a cut crease. Then I went in with that soft purple shade and using this for underneath the lower lash line. And of course, everything I'm doing at one side, I'm doing it the other side as well. I'm using a Sigma flat definer brush to kind of apply this and also smudge it back and forth. And then I went in with a bigger brush and with that same brush, with that same eyeshadow color on it, and just smudging it out even more. Such a beautiful color. I love this purple shade. It's so different and unique. Now I used a little bit of the white eyeshadow that I used all the way at the beginning, which is from my own eyeshadow palette that I created together with Sigma. And I just popped a little bit of that in the inner corner just to brighten it up. Then it's time for curling the lashes, which means it's also time for mascara. And I will be using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which has been one of my favorite mascaras for a really long time. I do have to say, it doesn't make my upper lashes super long, but it just looks nice. It separates the lashes really nicely, but it does make my lower lashes super long. So I feel like because I am going in with false lashes, you won't see the upper lashes anyway. So whenever I film, more focused like on making the lower lashes as long as possible, so it kind of matches with the fake lashes. So I don't remember which lashes I used. I haven't showed them in this video for some reason, so I think they were just laying around and there was no packaging anymore, which sucks because they're really pretty. So I'm sorry that I can't tell you the name of it. But yeah, this is the finished result. I love these purple tones. I think it's gonna look so beautiful on brown and green eyes, but I think it looks really good on my eye color as well. So I think it will be suitable for all eye colors. Let me know how you think of this eye look. Is this something that you would wear? It's actually super easy, right? I only used one shade in the crease, one on the eyelid, and one underneath the lower lash line. That's actually all I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy glam makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!